So you might be in a really random situation where on your iPhone, your audio files aren't actually playing. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. There's never just one reason why something like this can end up happening. The very first thing I'd recommend doing is that if you are playing audios that are within your iPhone, you might just want to go ahead and make sure that your files were downloaded properly and they are playable within your iPhone files player. So if there's some random, if they're like a random audio file, if they're not like an MP3 or like some sort of like a WAV file, you might have to go through and use a different application to open it up. So just kind of keep that in mind. Not a big deal, but one of those things to keep in mind there. Now the other thing, you may want to go ahead and actually tap on the file one time to go ahead and open it up like this. If your file opens up, that means you're halfway there. If it doesn't open up, that means there's a problem with that file and it's not opening it up because that file may not be supported on your iPhone. Maybe it didn't finish downloading. So kind of think about those things. Now on top of that, what you want to do if you get this pop-up is to click on that play button. Now if the audio file isn't playing any sound, then you might want to start increasing your sound on your iPhone or maybe switch to a different Bluetooth device, turn off Bluetooth, things like that. You might want to see if that ends up working. If those things don't end up working there either, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to go through and restart your iPhone. So essentially hold down the volume button and the power button right here. Go ahead and hold these things down, slide the power off, and you want to make sure your iPhone is basically just able to be restarted. And if that still doesn't work, you might have to go through and update your iPhone. So go inside of your iPhone settings here, scroll down until you see General, click on Software Update your phone, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.